Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 683, and today's topic of the lecture is the health benefits of flax seeds. It is also known as linseed, but commonly it is called flax seed, and in our Indian language in Delhi and North India it is called alsi. It has long history because the fibers of the flax seeds are found in Egyptian mummy. So it has, we can say history of 2000 BC, means thousands of years ago. It was in use by Egyptians, especially its fiber. And as we know that flax seeds, they are containing 6% mucilages, and this mucilage is having lot of medicinal importance. Formation of mucilage is due to the presence of two types of fibers in flax seeds. One is water soluble fiber and other one is water insoluble fiber, and because of this water insoluble and soluble fibers, there is mucilage formation, colloidal, hydrocolloidal solution is formed, and it is we can say is having property of absorbing the water, it swell the water, and that's why this mucilage is having very good property of holding the lot of microorganisms, bacteria in our gut and intestine, and because of this reason, this is very good for our digestive system. It can drastically reduce the dysentery condition, diarrhea, hyperacidity, and ulcer. These flax seeds, they are very good laxative also. Laxative means it can also help to reduce the condition of constipation, and it can make your bowel movement smooth because of this mucilage property. And recently lot of research publications are there, and nowadays globally it is having lot of importance and attention because of the presence of some very important phytochemicals. The first one very important is that it is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acid is alpha-linoleic acid, and this omega-3 fatty acids, they are very good anti-inflammatory and antioxidants. That's why this flax seed plays very important role to maintain and to increase your blood circulation, and because of this it works as a anti-clotting agent also, because once the blood circulation is not normal in our body, blood flow is not good, there is tendency of formation of thrombus or blood clotting. So it is also playing very important role because of presence of omega-3 fatty acid, and the omega-3 also plays very important role. The research, the recent study shows that it is very good for osteoporosis. Osteoporosis means it is a weakness of bone, cracking and breaking is possible. So in that case, if we are taking 1 spoonful of flaxseed powder morning and evening, it can drastically reduce the condition of osteoporosis. Also, flaxseed is rich in ligands, and these ligands are having very good property of reducing the chance of formation of malignant or non-malignant tumors. So flax seeds, they are also very good for controlling the breast cancer, colon cancer, and also lung cancer. So, and also prostate cancer. So it is having very good anti-cancerous property. Some other studies are showing that the women who are having hot flashes syndrome. Hot flashes syndrome means those women, elderly women who have the transition period of menopause, that is perimenopause, and there they get their skin or face red, and they get depression, and sometimes they are not feeling good. Even they may get depression. So in that condition, if you are taking flaxseed powder, it can drastically reduce the intensity of your hot flashes. And nowadays, globally, flax seeds are found in either powder form or roasted form or raw form. And also, flaxseed oils are also available. So these are all very, very important medicinal as well as health benefits of flaxseed. And flax seeds are also very good for those people who are having diabetic condition, means they are suffering from sugar, hyperglycemia. Because of the mucilage, it can hold your carbohydrates for longer period in your stomach, and the slow release of glucose will be there. And also because of this mucilage property, this also helps to reduce your weight also. So in this way, there are lot of health as well as medicinal uses of flax seeds. And now in Western countries, during breakfast, they will take 1 or 2 spoon of powder of flax seed, and they will make the porridge type and they will drink, or they will just spray the powder on the salad, they will eat. There are several methods of eating, but the most effective one is in powder form. So these are all very important medicinal properties of. So here the health benefits I have written is same what I have already told you, point wise, for all the pharmacy students and in generally everybody to copy down and remember, because flaxseed is very important for our health, especially the heart health, and it works as anti-cancer. Health benefits of flaxseed, and that is in Indian language, North India. This seed is called alsi. Its botanical name is Linum ostraceum lin, and it belongs to family Linaceae, and sometimes it also called linseed. Number 1, flax seed is very ancient plant origin, and flax fibers obtained from the stem are seen in Egyptian mummies, that is in 2000 BC. It is mainly cultivated in Argentina, India, Russia, Canada, USA. And number 2, about 6% mucilage. Mucilage is the most important part of this flaxseed. Means I have already given you the explanation. Is present in flaxseed. Mucilage consists of calcium salt, which on hydrolysis gives ribose, galactose, arabinose, and galactouronic acid. Actually, all these mucilages, they are the combination of, I call it heteropolymer or heteropolysaccharide. Means hetero means different type of monomers, monosaccharides like glucose, galactose, ribose. So your flaxseed mucilage is the mixture of these polymers, the heteropolymers, that is arabinose, ribose, galactose, and galactouronic acid. And all mucilages, once it is hydrolyzed, it will yield galactouronic acid, where at 6 carbon the hydroxy group will be oxidized into carboxylic group, and when both of the carbon 1 and carbon 6 are oxidized, then it is called allopyrronic acid. And number 3, mucilage swells with water and gives color with ruthenium red. This mucilage, what it is present in mucilage means there are two type of fiber. One is water soluble, one is water insoluble, and it swells water, and that is the most important property of flaxseed, and with water, and gives red color with ruthenium red. Actually, this is confirmatory test of flaxseed. If suppose you have any doubt that whether this flaxseed is original or some fake or duplicate type, you just take ruthenium oxide, that is a ruthenium red, and put on flaxseed with water, and it will be changed into deep red color. Changing into deep red color confirm that this seed is flaxseed. Flaxseed contains 30% glycerides of alpha-linoleic acid, that is your omega-3 fatty acid. So it contains in the form of glyceride, that is up to 30%. Flaxseed contains cyanogenic glycoside, means that glycoside which contains CN group, and on hydrolysis it gives acetone, hydrocyanic acid and glucose. Number 4, because of swelling property with water, flax seeds are used as bulk laxative, and that laxative plays important role for those people who are having the condition of that is either dysentery or constipation or any stomach disorder, gastric problem. So this property of mucilage formation and laxative property is very much helpful to all the stomach disorder problem. And flaxseed is full of omega-3 fatty acid, and that is your called alpha-linoleic acid, that is ALA. Omega-3 has good anti-inflammatory effect to fight osteoporosis by reducing the risk of bone fracture. This is the latest research that omega-3 helps to fight the osteoporosis and also the inflammation of knee, tendon or some other muscular inflammation. If you apply or if you take the capsule of omega-3 fatty acid, it can drastically reduce. So this is a new study of omega-3 fatty acid. Number 6, flaxseed is top source of antioxidants because of the presence of lot of polyphenolics, and these polyphenolics, they will not allow the formation of tumor or cancerous cells. The reason is that these antioxidants, they can drastically reduce the oxidative stress, and once oxidative stress is reduced means lot of evil, I call it evil free radicals, are neutralized. So here number 7, the flaxseed can reduce LDL, that is low density lipoprotein, is known as bad cholesterol, and flaxseed fiber aids digestion. It contains both water soluble and water insoluble fiber, which helps the water soluble fiber, which helps soften the stool. Insoluble fiber stimulate the digestive system. Flaxseed may help lower cancer risk. Number 8, flaxseed has been shown to prevent development of tumor, particularly cancers of breast, prostate and colon. That is because of the richness of ligands. Actually, ligands, they are anti-cancerous and they play important role to reduce the chance of formation of malignant or non-malignant tumors. And these ligands have anti-cancer property. A study involved 6,000 women. 6,000 women were involved in the study, and they found that those who regularly consumed flaxseed were 20% less likely to develop breast cancer. So this flaxseed is very good to reduce the chances of blood cancer. Number 9, flaxseed might curb diabetes risk, and the ligands which present in flaxseed improve the level of HA1C test, and this test is the measurement of your blood glucose in 3 months time regularly. So that is the test, and it can reduce blood sugar over 3 months. The people who consume 30 gram of flaxseed, 30 gram of flaxseed means if you take 1 tablespoon, it is roughly 15 gram in the morning, and 1 teaspoon flaxseed powder in the evening. That can lower the blood glucose and improve the insulin sensitivity. Number 10, flaxseed oil can reduce the skin roughness and also can improve the skin hydration. So nowadays flaxseed is also widely used in skin care products, and they can hydrate your skin, and also it can make your skin smooth. Number 11, flaxseed may be helpful for weight loss because of mucilage formation, and that mucilage is due to the water insoluble and water soluble fibers, and that makes gel, and that gel will give you the feeling of fullness for longer time. That's why you will be slowly reducing the weight, and stomach can increase the fullness, and you can take 30 gram or 2 tablespoons every day, that is morning and evening. It can help you to reduce the weight. Number 12, flaxseed might improve perimenopause in women, and recent study found that 20 gram of flaxseed powder twice a day could drop the intensity of hot flashes up to 60%. Hot flashes, those women who are having, I have already told you, that symptom means, hot flashes means your face or your skin is red and rashes are there and you are not feeling comfortable. Sometimes you are in depression or anxiety. So that condition can be suppressed up to 60%. So, this is really very important for our health, as well as it is having lot of medicinal properties. So with this I will stop, and you start taking 1 or 2 teaspoons of flaxseed powder to improve your general health condition, and then you can see the magic of flaxseed powder. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.